Here I've got the Havira dog biscuits. This is the cranberry and chicken flavor. There's also peanut butter and pumpkin flavor as well. So first off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me for my dogs to try out. They always love a good treat. So let's take a look at this. These are these oven-baked biscuits shaped like a bone with the chicken wrapped around it. We look at the ingredients. It says no artificial preservatives or colors. You got flour in the biscuit, chicken, palm oil, sugar, cranberry, etc. So there's a good amount of protein and fat there. Let's see, let's take a look at the biscuits themselves. This is what it looks like. Here's a good size right there. You can see the dried chicken wrapped around it, so it looks really good. Perfect size for them, so give them a try. They always love this dried chicken, so this should make a really good treat for them that they'll enjoy. So yeah, if you're looking for a really good treat for your dogs that is fun for them to eat and good for them, make sure you check these out.